In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all emails as unread in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently. If you've ever found yourself buried under a mountain of emails and want a quick way to organize them, you're in the right place. Follow along and I'll guide you through this straightforward process step by step. First, let's begin by accessing Outlook on the web. You can do this by navigating to either outlook.com or outlook.office.com in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, simply enter your credentials to log into your account. Once you're in, ensure you're directed to the main page where your emails appear. This is your inbox. Now it's time to select all your emails. When looking at your inbox, direct your attention to the top of your message list. There, you'll notice a checkbox positioned right above the very first email. Clicking this checkbox will select the displayed emails. However, if you have an extensive collection of emails and wish to select them all, you'll see an option to select all conversations in inbox. This option appears at the top after you initially click the checkbox. Click it, and all the conversations will be selected irrespective of how many you have. With all your emails highlighted, the next step is marking them as unread. Look towards the top toolbar where you'll find several icons. Among these, search for the Mark as Unread icon, typically represented by an envelope symbol. Clicking this icon will instantly change the status of all selected emails to unread, effectively restoring that sense of newness and helping you streamline what needs your attention. And there you have it. All emails in your inbox are now marked as unread. This method is perfect for those who inadvertently open emails or need a fresh start with their inbox without missing any important messages. By following these simple steps, managing a large volume of emails becomes less daunting, and it gives you a chance to prioritize messages as needed. If you hit any snags along the way, feel free to pause, rewind, and rewatch any part of this guide. That's all for now. Thank you for joining me in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more time-saving tips and guides. Happy emailing!